now, this week's turgid episode of Cat Stabs Russ a Lot.
Title.
Okay. All right, we continue from bind of second. 3 hours from now, I will figure out why that's funny. I'm really smart and quick-witted that way. All right, Cat's going to do an upper disengage and bonk me in the head. Pop. Notice, please stay still. Cat has performed a lean. That lean is from her hips. She hasn't done an ugly fold. It no good. Okay? Because of that, she can bend her back leg and be immediately back in guard. Go for it.
Fix my foot.
Yep. Scooch backwards slightly and bring your weak right into my strong. Go ahead and lock it. Worst case scenario, now you're locked in. Now watch, because she's going to use her upper arm, how little wrist action is required for her to bonk head. Go for it. There it is. Good. Now, in this distance, since we're not actually moving around a lot, go ahead and do a short lunge.
Now?
Yes, now. There you go. Good. And notice when she does that, she's not just brushing my hair sideways, but she uncurls and extends, and there's the cut. So if you're watching this and you're not used to seeing the Saber action, just because you're doing this doesn't mean you have a cut. Your cut has to be aligned before the extension happens. Otherwise, all you're doing is abrading your opponent's surface, and they will get irritated with you, and they will stab you. Do it a little slower, just so it's really obvious for the people watching. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na, splutch. Go back. Okay, fine. More subtle sound effects. Da-na-na. Ah! Yeah, it's one of those mornings. Aren't you glad you're spending time with us? All right, model that in midair, please.
All right, with the foot?
With the foot. Good. Notice she's not overextending. It doesn't have to be a big lunge. It could be if she's trying to catch me running away. For now, go ahead and stay with the stance you were and just do a short range lunge. No biggie. When you are practicing this, if you are rigorous enough, you will eventually start to hear little bits of blade whir, even on small movements like this. It won't be pronounced, but you'll start to hear it. Can you show it from the other direction? While you're doing this, if you come out of a wrist-centric system, as Cat does, you'll have to watch yourself and go, did I wrist that? Good. All right, observations?
Yeah, since I'm really focusing hard on making my shoulder do it, I can definitely feel that my shoulder is doing it.
Yay.
Yay.
And by shoulder, you mean the actual shoulder blade, not the deltoid, right?
Right, the back bit of the shoulder, not this bit.
Yeah, it's been said before, but to repeat it, if you look at the 19th century photographs of these fencers, they don't have big guns here, but their backs are really, really well developed because they're doing hours and hours of high-speed moulinets and cuts using those back muscles. So if this starts to shrink because you practice so much, but this starts to expand, you don't have to cry, bodybuilder bros. We got you. You'll have that definition and look great. That was funny, damn it.
Indeed.
All right, have fun and go do the thing. We've got more videos and content coming, so if you liked what you saw and it was useful for you, please stab the like button, /subscribe, and punch the little bell icon so that you're notified immediately when new content comes available. Thanks, and go do the thing.